100 everyday phrases for fluent English conversations. Greetings and introductions. Hello, how are you? A friendly greeting to start a conversation. Use when meeting someone casually. Nice to meet you. Said when being introduced to someone for the first time. What's up? Casual way to ask how someone is doing. Common among friends. Good to see you. Expresses happiness at seeing someone, often after a while. How's it going? Informal way to check on someone's well-being or progress. My name's your name. Used to introduce yourself in formal or casual settings. Long time no see. Said when reconnecting with someone after a long gap. How have you been? A warm way to ask about someone's recent life. Hey, what's new? Casual way to ask about recent events or updates. Pleased to make your acquaintance. Formal way to say, nice to meet you. Small talk and casual chats. Nice weather today, isn't it? A classic conversation starter about the weather. What do you do? Asks about someone's job or profession. How's your day going? A friendly way to keep a conversation flowing. Got any plans for the weekend? Great for casual chats about future activities. Have you seen movie or TV show? Sparks a conversation about entertainment. Where are you from? Asks about someone's hometown or origin. That's interesting. Tell me more. Shows curiosity and keeps the chat going. How's your family? A warm question for closer acquaintances. What's your favorite food or hobby? Helps learn about someone's preferences. It's been a while, hasn't it? Acknowledges a gap since last meeting. Polite requests and responses. Can you help me, please? Polite way to ask for assistance. Could you repeat that, please? Ask someone to say something again. Would you mind doing something? Very polite way to make a request. Sure, no problem. A friendly agreement to help or comply. I'd appreciate it if you could. Formal way to ask for a favor. Thank you so much. Expresses gratitude for help or kindness. You're welcome. Response to someone thanking you. Could I have a moment of your time? Polite way to ask for attention. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Asks for clarification if you didn't hear. Please go ahead. Invites someone to proceed like in a queue. Agreeing and disagreeing. Totally agree. Shows strong agreement with someone's point. That's a good point. Acknowledges a valid idea or opinion. I see what you mean. Shows understanding of someone's perspective. I'm not so sure about that. Polite way to express doubt or disagreement. I respectfully disagree. Formal way to oppose someone's view. You've got a point there. Admits someone's argument is reasonable. I'm with you on that. Casual way to say you agree. That's not how I see it. Indicates a different perspective. Let's agree to disagree. Suggests ending a debate amicably. Exactly. That's what I think too. Enthusiastic agreement. Asking for opinions and suggestions. What do you think about topic? Invites someone's opinion. Any ideas on issue. Asks for suggestions or solutions. What would you do? Seeks advice on a specific situation. Do you have any recommendations? Asks for suggestions like restaurants. How do you feel about that? Probes someone's emotions or stance. What's your take on this? Casual way to ask for an opinion. Should I do something? Seeks guidance on a decision. Any thoughts on this? Open-ended way to invite feedback. What's the best way to do something? Asks for the optimal approach. Do you think it's a good idea? Checks if someone approves of a plan. Expressing feelings and reactions. I'm so excited. Shows enthusiasm about an event or news. That's awesome. Expresses admiration or excitement. I'm a bit nervous. Admits to feeling anxious or uneasy. That's such a shame. Shows sympathy for bad news. I'm really happy for you. Congratulates someone on their success. That's hilarious. Reacts to something funny. I'm so sorry to hear that. Offers condolences or empathy. What a surprise. Reacts to unexpected news or events. I'm feeling a bit tired. Shares your current state or mood. That's incredible. Shows amazement or disbelief at something. At a café or restaurant. Can I see the menu, please? Requests the menu from a server. I'll have the dish or drink. Places an order for food or drink. Could you make it quick, please? Asks for faster service politely. Is this dish spicy? Checks about the flavor of a menu item. Can you make it to go? Requests food for takeout. The bill, please. Asks for the check after eating. Can I have some water, please? Requests a drink during the meal. Was delicious, thank you. Compliments the food to the server. Do you have vegetarian options? Inquires about dietary preferences. Could you split the bill? Asks to divide the payment among people. Making plans and invitations. Are you free this weekend? Checks someone's availability. Want to grab coffee sometime? Casual invitation to hang out. Let's meet at place or time. Suggests a specific meeting plan. How about activity? Proposes an activity like watching a movie. I'll let you know. Promises to confirm plans later. Sounds like a plan. Agrees enthusiastically to a suggestion. Can we reschedule? Asks to change the time or date of a plan. Who else is coming? Inquires about others joining an event. Let's do it. Shows excitement to proceed with a plan. I'll be there. Confirms your attendance. Apologies and clarifications. I'm sorry, my mistake. Admits to an error you made. I didn't mean to do something. Clarifies an unintended action. Sorry I'm late. Apologizes for arriving after the agreed time. Me clarify. Introduces an explanation to clear confusion. Got mixed up. Admits to being confused about something. My apologies for issue. Formal way to say sorry. It won't happen again. Promises to avoid repeating a mistake. What did you mean by that? Asks for clarification on a statement. I misunderstood, sorry. Acknowledges a misunderstanding. Let's start over. Suggests restarting a conversation or task. Ending conversations. It was great catching up. Warmly ends a chat with a friend. Talk to you later. Casual way to say goodbye, expecting future chats. Care. A kind way to wish someone well as you part. I got to run. Politely says you need to leave quickly. See you soon. Optimistic goodbye, implying a future meeting. Thanks for the chat. Shows appreciation for the conversation. Let's stay in touch. Suggests keeping communication open. Have a great day. A cheerful way to end a casual talk. Catch you later. Informal goodbye among friends. Bye for now. Friendly way to wrap up a conversation.